All right, day 4. Make a full syringe-y thing. Shake it up. So I've already washed my face just with cold water, and then I've moisturized with the only so my foundation is always going to be a lot darker than what my skin looks like. So it's not like a nose contour, it's basically just distributing the warmth. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I really want to do a lot more lifestyle and fitness stuff on this channel. Maybe go into more depth about the celery juice cleanse that I was doing. I can take you day by day on that whole journey. Maybe more workout videos, meal plans, stuff like that. So please comment down below what you'd like to see from me on this channel. It doesn't have to be fitness related, but anything you'd like to see on this channel, please comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.